Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey, and on this Dodge Journey we're going to go over where you would add your washer fluid. You've got your washer fluid reservoir on this vehicle right here at the front, right behind the radiator, and we've got the yellow cap. A lot of times these are blue caps, but this happens to be yellow. But we have the washer fluid only, and we have the washer fluid simple. So to add washer fluid, we're going to pop this cap. These things will generally take about 3 liters of fluid if they're fully empty. And so you would just pop your cap and then add your washer fluid, any type that you like, as long as it's washer fluid. Because if you put antifreeze in here, it will not clean your windows. It'll actually put a film on your windows and then you won't be able to see. Oh, totally missed. So you top that off and then just put the cap back on. And now sometimes you'll hear the pump noise when you hit the trigger, and if you're not getting any spray and you've put fluid in here, well then you'll either got a blockage or the pump itself just doesn't have enough. It's not going to be able to, you may need to replace the pump. Right? So, but this is where you would add your windshield washer fluid on your 2016 Dodge Journey. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.